All right, it's time to open up this box from Canada.
Wow, that worked great. Wow.
Damn, this is really comfortable. My favorite part is watching Fetty open the boxes because he's a sav. Oh, dude, there's a board in there. This is different than I expected.
Oh, this is mine. That's going viral.
What? That's not yours? That's not yours?
Dibs.
Ooh. Oh. No, that's mine, dude. Give that to me.
Maple syrup?
Give that to me.
For the shirts. Here, you got the shirt.
You cold-blooded dog.
Whoa. Oh, cut off sleeves for Daniel. Daniel, you got fans.
Daniel, put it on, Daniel.
Daniel, you got fans.
Daniel, put it on. Come on, put it on for the video. All right, let's read the note. What's up, bro? My name's Preston Pete, and I'm from Toronto, Canada. I love your channel and have been watching for some time now. After watching your countless episodes of You Make It, We Skate It, I thought I should make a board to represent your fans up here in the cold north. This board has been hand cut and sanded for 36.5 hours straight to achieve the ultimate in aerodynamics and strength. The board bears the coat of a fierce northern hunter that is the polar bear. This soft coat will act as likely the worst grip tape known to man, but will be very soft on your feet. The Canadian flag decorates the bottom of this board. I beg you to nose and board slide this majestic pine board until there is nothing left but dust. I would love if one of you could manual ride this board while sipping Canada's sweet nectar located inside the box. Spoiler alert, it's maple syrup.
Is this really polar bear?
No, you're gonna wear it like that? Come on, guys.
You think I gotta go full?
Yeah, you gotta go full
No sleeves? Just
full no sleeves. You have probably realized that I am in no way, shape, or form a skateboard design specialist. I've had a lot of fun making this board, and I really hope you guys enjoy cruising around on this beauty. Sorry I didn't pre-drill the holes. Uh-oh. I'm an electronic music producer, and any shout-out would be much, much, much appreciated. My Instagram is @PrestonPete, or you can check me out on SoundCloud as Preston Pete, or visit PrestonPete.com. I also sent some sweet tank tops for your support. Throw one on Fetty right away.
go lick this little bottle.
And Daniel.
Hey, back at it. Back at it again.
Thank you guys again for skating this board. Keep on keeping on. Preston Pete. No animals were harmed in the making of this board. So let's just show his logo. Preston Pete, Instagram, all that good stuff. That's insane. I didn't realize it's actually pine wood. And then boom. Oh, the Canadian Braille collab. So that's rad. I did not realize that this was actually made out of straight pine wood that he sanded. This is an awesome, awesome board. Let's set this up. Welcome to Construction Corner with Fetty Potter. How long have you been doing construction?
Just today. Aaron's gone.
Would you build your house?
I built Lance's house.
Okay, let's see the board before we skate it. Let's see what we're working with. And it's got polar bear grip tape.
Yeah, it's very slippery.
This is like the sickest thing. Send us this syrup, dude. I think this is expensive. Dude.
Here's his music right here. Preston Pete.
Blah, blah, blah.
It's like reverse shaped.
It's like hard to skate,
It's
huh?
like rainbow shaped.
What, Fetty? Isn't it easy to skate?
No.
Fetty, don't look so mad.
Please.
Yeah, let's do a kickflip off. Like, you need some competition.
Ow!
Oh!
Can we put grip tape on this?
It has grip tape, dog. It's a polar bear.
Mine has pink and green.
Pink and green, pink and green.
I feel cool.
Wow, you really showed us how it's done.
If you have a white tank top, it's not gonna work. Wow, this is slippery.
We're having a little bit of trouble skating the Canada board, but we're gonna push through it.
They don't have friction in Canada.
What, why are you laughing at my outfit?
No,
Why are you laughing then?
I'm not.
Redo.
That's like the freaking juice of gods. No, what are you doing?
Oh, I thought we were
You
drinking.
just opened it?
I thought we were drinking it.
Dude.
My bad, my bad.
You got some maple syrup?
Yes.
All right, hey, give him some maple syrup. Waterfall it, waterfall it.
Oh, that.
Come on.
Do it, Lance. Yeah, I'll pour it. There you go.
Ew.
Look at the drip.
It's super good.
I ain't about that life.
Oh, that was a big one. That was a lot.
That's really good.
Dude, it's like quality.
Ew.
I can feel my arteries clogging.
It's like drinking a pancake. What do we do now?
I don't know, I'm done.
Whole park game of skate, I guess?
I play flat ground or whole park?
Okay, flat ground, yeah.
Let's go.
Flat ground.
Go first.
Okay, you're last.
Oh, that was good.
I didn't feel touch.
Yeah, not even wearing the tank top anymore. Oh my god.
Betty's angry because he didn't have any syrup. It's weird because I feel like you're gonna pop like right where the trucks are.
Have you ever skated polar bear before?
Yeah, all the time.
Wow, is anyone gonna win? Oh, look at who came to play.
I blame that on Lance.
Whoa, that was sick.
I don't know what else to do.
Let me see, let me see.
What have you done?
Is this real polar bear?
Yeah. What happened?
What?
Is that game over?
I have
have you
K.
done?
What do you have?
I have K also,
Well,
but
it's SK8.
Ariel now.
Is Fetty gonna win this with that attitude?
I think that means he loses.
He broke it, so he loses.
Ow, my wrist.
Daniel, your only hope.
I got a good idea. I was trying to bend it up so that I could get flick. There we go. Now you got flick. Oh no, I don't have flick. It's worse. Oh, what happened? How am I supposed to burial with this? This is what I'm working with here. This is sabotage.
You got it, dude. You got it.
You have to chug the syrup because you broke it. Drink the syrup. Drink the syrup. Oh, you have to drink it.
Here comes the syrup.
Okay, how about Lance drinks the syrup?
I'll drink it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below.
All of it.
One for my homies. Can't do that. This is actually so good. I don't think you're supposed to eat it like this. But thank you, Preston and Pete. This is awesome. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna make pancakes. We're all gonna have some. If you have something you want to send it to SKATEBOARD@BrailleSkateboarding.com. We do accept your confectionaries. That's the right word. See you next time. Bye.
Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.